So hi guys, welcome to my channel. Welcome everyone. So if you're new here, welcome. My name is Tamara Priya Elizabeth Alfred. I'm a Nigerian YouTuber based in Birmingham, and I'm also an international student, and I'm just going to be taking you guys on my my journey. An international student, and I'm also going to school today, so I decided to take you guys on the journey with me. So I've been waiting for my Uber for like 12 minutes now, and it's not coming. I don't know why, and I'm so cold. I would have actually used the bus, but I'm kind of late. That's why I decided to use an Uber, and if I had known that I was going to take this long, I would have just used the bus. You get it? So yeah, so today is first day of school for second semester, and I'm just going to show you guys what typical day looks like. Morning.
How you doing? Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Just an introductory statement. This statement could go into the introduction, it could be in the main body, but just a statement to guide what you're going to do. Right, decide on a multinational corporation. Next, critically discuss and analyze.
So guys,
Okay.
we went to microwave our food, and the queue downstairs was crazy. So we had to eat cold food. So we're actually eating cold food right now. Say hi. Say hi. Can you say hi?
Hello. I'm fine now.
So we're eating cold food right now. Let me see your food. I'm interviewing you for the fire alarm. Look at these people. Let's go and eat chicken and chips. You guys are going to Primark. She went. Dora the Explorer.
But it was a nice experience.
Hi guys, so we've gotten to the end of this video. You can see I'm already very exhausted. I just took down my wig and wore this cap on, and I just wanted to thank everyone that stayed throughout the whole video, to everyone that has been subscribing, liking my channel, my videos, commenting. Thank you guys so much. To my new subscribers, welcome, and thank you. Trust me, you're going to like this space. It's going to be a lovely community for you, and I just wanted to thank and appreciate everyone. Although today was hectic because due to the fire alarm, everything, going to school late and all of that, but it still ended up being a success. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the video. If you have any type of video you want me to make, just drop a comment and I'll be doing it for you. Thank you.